The cat has hunting skills and techniques similar to those of a leopard. These Spurfowls look nervous, but they seem not to be scared of this cat, and they continue moving closer. Now the cat is trying to approach them, just about to strike, and the Spurfowl chicks move away from this cat while the parent is getting closer and watches, trying to avoid this cat. The chicks are not aware of what's going on because they are not sure whether this is a threat, and now the cat is even moving closer to the chicks, and the chicks keep a distance, now moving away. Here quickly they move while the parent is also even moving faster, and the cat is getting closer, just about to strike one of the chicks. Now the parent has moved so far away. The cat has gone back to its hunting position, watching the chicks very closely, taking a step, just about to strike. Now the cat has just noticed that these chicks are full aware about what's going on. The tension is building up here, and the chicks are now moving closer to their parents there. One adult Spurfowl is watching from a distance, just keeping off these chicks from getting closer to the hunting cat. Now the cat is playing tricks by not watching these Spurfowls, but it knows exactly what it's doing. The adult Spurfowl is gathering together these chicks together to keep them off from this cat. Tension continues to build up here. Two chicks are closer to this adult, while the other three chicks are nowhere to be found. This adult chick is looking for the other three chicks. Now two more are following. Three, the third one is coming here, fortunately. The fourth one, the fifth one is here. Now they are safe away from the hunting cat. Now they've gathered together, trying to settle down and start foraging again. One of the adult Spurfowl is still at the back. Now they are trying to hide away in the bushes. Now they've settled down. They seem to be safe from this hunting cat. Now we have three chicks with one adult. Two more. Now the other adult is here. Three more chicks are missing. Now all the Spurfowl flock is intact. Let's see what goes on. Where the cat is, the cat has gone back to the bush, and they are now safe. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us your comments to help conserve birds and their habitats across the globe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.